How to pick investments for 401k, Simple Beginner Guide. Choosing the right retirement investments can feel difficult, especially for beginners. Many people focus only on high profits, but it is also important to think about safety, long-term growth, and your financial goals. Learning how to pick investments for 401k plans can help you build a secure future and make smarter investment decisions. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Set your retirement goals. Before choosing investments, think about your future plans. A 401k is designed to help you save for retirement, so your main goal should be long-term financial security. Ask yourself questions like, when do you want to retire? How much money will you need? Do you have other goals like traveling or starting a business? Your goals will help determine which investments are best for your retirement account. 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Every investment comes with some level of risk. Some people are comfortable with market ups and downs, while others prefer safer options. Stocks and mutual funds may offer higher returns but can be more volatile. Bonds and gold investments are usually considered more stable. Understanding your comfort level with risk is an important part of learning how to pick investments for 401k accounts. 3. Learn about your investment options. Take time to research the investment choices available in your 401k. Common options include stocks, mutual funds, bonds, target date funds, gold-related investments. Before investing, look at performance history, fees, and future growth potential. The more informed you are, the easier it becomes to make smart financial decisions. 4. Choose investments that match your budget. Your financial situation should also affect your investment choices. Some investments may require larger contributions, while others are easier for beginners to start with. Many people prefer diversified funds because they spread risk across multiple investments. Others choose gold for added stability during market uncertainty. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Do not put all your money into one investment type. A balanced mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets can help reduce risk and improve long-term growth. Diversification is one of the best ways to protect your retirement savings over time. Learning how to pick investments for 401k plans does not have to be complicated. Set clear goals, understand your risk tolerance, research your options, and build a diversified portfolio. Making smart investment choices today can help you create a stronger and more secure retirement future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.